Did you know a wall of shields once made an army nearly unstoppable? In ancient Greece, around the 7th century BCE, Sparta perfected the phalanx, a tight battle formation where heavily armed soldiers stood shoulder to shoulder, shields locked, and spears pointed forward like a moving fortress. Each warrior protected the man beside him, turning individual fighters into a single machine of war. Trained from youth under Sparta's harsh military system, these soldiers advanced in rhythm, their bronze armor flashing as one, their footsteps shaking the ground. Enemies who faced them did not meet men, but a solid wall of wood, bronze, and discipline. At battles like Thermopylae in 480 BCE, this formation allowed vastly outnumbered Spartans to hold back massive forces for days. The strength of the phalanx was not just weapons or armor, but unity, precision, and trust, proving that in ancient warfare, coordination could be deadlier than numbers, and a perfectly ordered line could decide the fate of empires.